Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Safari is not opening or not loading any sites on your iPhone. When you try to refresh something or when you try to get into something, it says website is not allowed, or if you're going through this kind of trouble, this is what you have to do. What you need to do is the first one, we have to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here we have to scroll it down all the way down and navigate to the screen time. Now from here we have to scroll it down and navigate to the content and privacy restrictions, and from here you have to tap on App Store, Media and Web Games. Now from here you have to scroll it down a little bit and navigate to the web content. Tap over here, and what you need to do is from the only approved website change into unrestricted and type your screen time passcode here. And once it change into the unrestricted, if you just go back to the Safari and just refresh it right now, you can read or get into any sites or any loading pages you want, you can get it. That is how we can do this. And still if you're having the trouble, then what you need to do is go over here in the settings. Now from here we have to scroll it down all the way down and navigate to the apps. Now from here we have to scroll it down, or you can use the search here. You can type here for Safari, then click on the Safari here. Now from here you have to scroll it down a little bit over here, and right now if you scroll it down you'll be able to find there is an option called clear history and website data. Tap on it, and when you do this you have to set this to all history, not last hour, today or today and yesterday. Then just go for clear history from here. Once you do this, most probably afterwards you'll not be having any kind of an issue, and this is what you have to do. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.